Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you use this free AI text to video. So this is called Pika.art and or Pika Labs. So this is completely free right now and it's on the beta version. So this might get paid real soon like Midjourney did. So you just have to go ahead and go over to Pika.art. You will be redirected to here. And once you are here, you just have to sign up for the first time if you are viewing this website for the first time. And you just have to log in. Okay, so once logging in, you just have to view the Discord, like that. And you just have to open their Discord server right here. And go over to the generate here. And there. So as you can see, I am over there, the creations right here. So as you can see, these are all the creations that are here. So here, as you can see, there are a couple of creations from the communities. So I'll show you on what I created earlier. So as you can see, I am right here. This is what I created earlier. So as you can see, this is my prompt, SpongeBob and Patrick playing. So you can view it on the full screen. And they actually have a watermark here. And to download it, you just have to click on here and it should be downloaded. So there is another one that I created earlier. Right here, so as you can see, two young babies playing basketball. So here, as you can see, there, and then you can also download it. So as you can see here, so to be able to do this, you just have to forward slash and then create if you want to create it a video. So for the prompt, so there is actually a prompt format for Pika Labs that I will suggest to you. So this is the subject. So for example, subject is right here, two young babies. So the scene, so the scene should be playing basketball. So subject, scene, short, this shot description, style and aspect ratio, like that. So if you want to do that, you have to go over and describe what you want. So for example, Spider-Man and Batman fighting and fighting underwater. And for the shot description, you can go ahead and put in close up, so whatever you want. And for the style, this is actually if you want it to be photorealistic. So for example, if you want it to be cinematic, photorealistic, or whatever, so let's choose cinematic there. And then for the aspect ratio, let's forward dash, so AR, and then there is a couple of options, 16 by 9 if you want it to be widescreen like this, or 1 by 1 if you want it to be squared, or 9 by 16 if you want it to be like this, where it is like the format on Reels, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts. So there. So you just have to go ahead and do that, and you just have to press enter. The downside of this, guys, is you have to wait for a couple of minutes or seconds for this. As you can see, mine is still generating because this is completely free and a lot of people are using it right now. So you just have to be patient with this. So as you can see, it generated it, but this isn't exactly what we want. So if you want to redo it, you just have to press this button right here, and it should go ahead and remake it downside here. And if you want to also customize the prompt that you made, you can also put this in. So new prompt, you just have to go ahead and input your new prompt right here, and then just press submit. You can also animate a certain image that you have. So what I did is, or what I suggest is, I go over to here on Midjourney. So you just have to find the Midjourney here and go over to here, and you can also download existing images right here. Or if you have a subscription for this, you can also do that. But basically, how you can do this is to go ahead and go over to here, and let's here. You just have to press the forward slash again and animate, and then just add an image here. So I want to input here. So for example, you want the image to move, so you can go ahead and type in subtle movements. So this is basically a basic prompt, because this is just in a beta version, because if you want it to be fast movements, it will not be accordingly fine, because it's not yet perfected yet. So let's try that. So as you can see, it's done now, and this is what it produced. So as you can see, it's now moving. And there, guys. So you can also edit it. So for example, you want it to smile with subtle movements. And you can also incorporate the prompt format I teach you earlier. So you can basically play along with this, and it's up to you guys. And there. So okay guys, that is all for today. That is how you can use this Pika Labs free AI text to video. Thank you for watching guys, and goodbye.